I am making a very quick video. I don't know if you can tell, but it's getting pretty dark out. I'm back at the farm, just parking the trailer in storage, and I'm just going to show you guys quickly the jack I put on it. Last time, or one of my previous videos, we had a drill on the original 7,000 pound jack. In turn, when I put the quad in the trailer, the drill did not want to run. I don't know if that was because of previous damage that I did recently or just because it was a bad drill. So went away from the drill, got some birthday money, and went out and bought this electric jack, 3,500 pound. Just quickly show you guys here. It's a Lippert. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Just going to show you guys. We'll put the cover over it just to keep it clean and dust free, and get a lot of rain up here. So once it's tight, you take the excess rope, tie it around. I'll put a knot in it, and then I will pull the fuse and leave the fuse in a bag in the trailer. If you prefer, you can pull the fuse and put it somewhere safe that you'll remember to put it back there, or hide it somewhere. But that's the review of my electric jack. If any of you guys are putting a jack on your cargo trailer and have questions, please reach out, let me know. I'm here to help. But this was something awesome I did. Really happy I did it. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.